පටන් ගත්තහම මම කියන්නම්. How can we do this? So maybe within 2-3 weeks time we will be able to start, or at least for one day I will ask you guys to come to complete this construction lesson at least. So we'll continue with the new lesson, surface area and volume. Let's take a new class session. Okay. Right. Surface area and volume. This is the new lesson. Okay. So when it comes to surface area of different objects, first of all, we'll discuss about cylinder. Okay. Number one, right? Cylinder. What is a cylinder actually? Yes. It's a figure like this, no? Everybody knows it. So this is a particular cylinder. Here you have, so they have given marked the necessary information as well. When it says the height of a cylinder, yes, what it is, and the radius have been given, so you can easily see that. So first of all, we will discuss about the surface area of the cylinder. Okay, right? Cylinder clear. Draw a cylinder like this and then write surface area of the cylinder. Radius simple r කියලා දාගන්න, height simple h කියලා දාගන්න. Draw this and then write just a simple subtopic, like not even a subtopic. You just specify that we are going to find surface area of the cylinder. Okay. So when it comes to surface area of a cylinder, first of all, we'll have to, before finding the surface areas, first of all, we'll have to determine what are these corresponding surfaces of this. ඒ කියන්නේ මේකට අදාළ වෙන surfaces ටික මොනවද කියලා හොයාගන්න වෙනවා. හරි එහෙනම් surfaces විදිහට ගත්තොත්, ඒ කියන්නේ මුහුණත් අපිට තියෙනවා මෙන්න මේ වගේ curved surface එකක්. එහෙම නේද? ඔය figure එකේ නම් කරන්න. This is a curved surface. And what about this? යට තියෙන පැත්ත මොකක්ද? Circle එකක් තියෙන නේද? එතකොට ඒකට කියනවා circular face. Circular surface, not the circular face, right? So actually talking about this මෙතන තියෙන circular face එකක්ම තමයි. හරි? So you better name this as a circular face and this is as a curved surface, right? So they are the two types of surfaces which we can find in a cylinder. Okay, now put a star mark and write just below the topic surface area of the cylinder. In a cylinder, yeah, in a cylinder,
Sir,
huh?
sir, I කියන්නකෝ එක.
මොකද කියන in a cylinder කියලා කිව්වේ. In a cylinder, there are two main types of surfaces. There are two main types of surfaces. Number one, curved surface. Number one, curved surface. Number two, circular surface. Number one, curved surface. Number two, circular surface. Okay, full stop. Guys, wait for a minute. right? Guys, I'm sorry, one of students' parents came to meet me. So there are two types of surfaces. Um, curved surface and the circular surface. Actually, there are how many circular surfaces? Two. එතන circular surfaces කියන තැනින් ඉස්සරහින් dash එකක් දාලා හරි වරහන් ඇතුලේ හරි ලියන්න. Two කියන දෙකක් තියෙනවා කියන. There are two කියන. To emphasize that anyhow. So when we are finding the surface areas of this cylinder, right? So we have to find the area of this curved surface and the area of this circular surfaces separately and then take the sum of them, right? So in a cylinder, both the circular surfaces are equal in area, okay? But when it comes to the curved surface, අපි හිතමු මේ curved surface එක හිතන්න දැන් ඕගොල්ලෝ A4 කොලයක් අරගෙන roll කරලා ගත්තා කියලා. එතකොට A4 කොලේ roll කරලා එක දිගහැරලා ගත්තොත් අපිට මොකක්ද දෙන්නේ? Yes, definitely you will get a rectangle, isn't it? මෙන්න මෙහෙම rectangle එකක් එන්නේ නේද? So if I move this one here, okay. Wait. One minute. So let's erase this first. Right. Let's draw this with a. Okay. So this is equal to the same height. Okay. Then make a meme roll කරලා ගත්තොත් මේක මෙන්න මේක වටේට නේද මෙහෙම roll වෙලා යන්නේ? Okay. So if you get a rectangle like this, what is the corresponding height of it? Corresponding breadth. මේ breadth එකට සමාන වෙන්නේ මේ cylinder එකේ මොකද්ද? It is equal to height of the cylinder, isn't it? Height of the cylinder. And what about the length of this then? Length කියලා කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේක වටේටම යන එක. ඒ කියන්නේ මේක වටේට මෙහෙම ගිහිල්ලා යනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේ circumference එක නේද? එහෙනම් මේක length මෙන්න මේ curved surface එකේ curved surface එක දිගහැරලා ගත්තාම අපිට හම්බ වෙන්නේ rectangle එකක්. ඒ rectangle එකේ parameters විදිහට ගත්තොත් length එකයි breadth එකයි equal වෙනවා. breadth එක equal වෙනවා height of the cylinder. ඒ කියන්නේ cylinder එකේ උසට, and respectively when it comes to the length, it is equal to the circumference of the circle. Then circumference of the cylinder. Right? Is that clear for everyone? Circumference of the cylinder. Okay. යටින් තරුවක් දාලා ලියන්න. යටින් තරුවක් දාලා ලියන්න. The curved surface of the cylinder is simply a rectangle once it is separated out from the cylinder. Full stop. The respective parameters of the rectangle with the circle can be given as below. Right. I want you people to draw a rectangle. It's better if you can draw the same cylinder, even with the same size. Then make height එකට සමාන වෙන මම මේ අන්ද වගේ rectangle එක සරේකුතු ප්‍රමාණයක දිගකට පොතේ එහා කෙළවරට එකක් මඳින්න එපා. මේ breadth කියන එක ලියන්න ඕනේ, length කියන එක ලියන්න ඕනේ. Okay? Length breadth විතරක් ලියන්න. අපි ඊට පස්සේ ලියමු මොනවටද සමාන වෙන්නේ කියලා. draw a small rectangle by the side of a cylinder. If you have not, better you draw another cylinder and then write it. So that you can write, below that figure, you may write length of the rectangle equals to circumference of the circle. Circumference eකට සමාන වෙන්නේ මොකද්ද? 2 phi r, where r is the radius, okay? Then breadth of the cylinder, නැත්නම් breadth of the rectangle will be equals to height of the cylinder. Which is simply h, simple h. All right. Now you can find, therefore, area of the curved surface will be equal to area of the rectangle. Okay, so you can take, so you can take the product of length and then the breadth. So the length is nothing but 2 phi r and the breadth is simple h. So you can merge it, 2 phi r h. So this is the surface area of the curved surface. Only the curved surface. Okay, next, right? ඊනකට ගත්තොත් circular surface. එතකොට cylinder එකේ circular surface එක circle එකක් හරි. So everybody knows it. So this is the corresponding, and starting from here, there will be a radius. So this is the corresponding radius. This is the circular surface. So you can say area of radius of r centimeters or meters, anyhow, area of circular surface will be equals to circle like area ගන්න කොහමද? Phi r squared, everybody knows it. But here what do we have? But total circular surface area. So there are two circular surfaces, so you will have to multiply it by 2. So it will be 2 phi r square. Okay, and then ලියන්න ඊට පස්සේ, therefore total surface area of the cylinder will be equals to total circular surface area plus curved surface area. Is that clear? Right. So the total curved surface, sorry, circular surface area is 2 phi r squared, while the curved surface area is 2 phi rh. Okay. It's 2 phi rh. Okay, so simply you can build up an expression, area, total surface area, right? So this is area total, even anyhow, this is the total surface area. So you can highlight, you can do anything to it. So this is the total surface area of the cylinder. Can you understand this? Not much difficult, huh? Okay, oh no, leave it. හරි මේමයි මේ ඉක්වේෂන් කටපාඩම් කරන්න දගලන්න එපා කිසිම කෙනෙක් අවශ්‍ය නම් කරන්න කමක් නැහැ වෙන පාඩම් ගන්න කිසිම දෙයක් ඇත්තේ නැත්නම් සිංහල ලිටරේචර් අර මොනවා සයන්ස් වල දේවල් එහෙම නැත්නම් කමක් නැහැ හැබැයි අමතක කරන්න එපා බේසික් ප්‍රින්සිපල් එක මොකද්ද සිලින්ඩර් එකේ සර්ෆේස් ඒරියා එක හදාගත්ත විදිය එතකොට ඒක විනාඩි දෙකකින් හදලා ගත්ත හැකි එතකොට අමතක වෙන්නේ නැහැ නැත්නම් මොනවා හරි කටපාඩම් කරන් ඉඳලා මේකේ 5r² ද නැත්නම් 2πr² h ද නම් blah blah බයිලා පැටලෙන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, so don't try to memorize, just try to generate it by yourself at that moment once you need it. So for that you need to have the basic understanding, how do you get this surface area. එතකොට surface area එක සම්පූර්ණ ගත්තේ කොහොමද කියලා හොඳ idea එකක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ. හරි? Please don't try to memorize. හරි? අපි කොහොමද ගත්තේ? circular surface area දෙකේ එකතු කරා circular surface area එකක හොයන්නේ කොහොමද? phi r squared. එතකොට ඒ වගේ දෙකක් තියෙනවා. එතකොට it becomes 2 phi r squared, and then you have to consider the curved surface area, which is a rectangle. The parameters respectively, the breadth is the height of the cylinder and the length of it is the circumference, which is 2 phi r. එහෙනම් ඒ දෙන වැඩි කරලා අපිට හොයන්න පුළුවන් curved surface area එක. හොඳට කල්පනාවේ විභාග ප්‍රශ්න වලට උත්තර ලියන්න ඕනේ. Right? Once you get a question, most of the time the creators will try to bully you. They will just ask, find the curved surface area of the cylinder. Radius. They are not asking the total area. You guys are finding the total area and then shouting like we don't have time, sir. So you have to be keen when you're reading the questions and answering them. So this is the formula that we can use it. Okay. I will give you a small example to do right now. Find the total surface area of a cylinder of a hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder එකක් කියන්නේ කුහරයක් සහිත cylinder. Cylinder given below. ඕක දෙනක ලියා ගන්නකො මොකක්ද cylinder එක දෙනක. Make a homework. So you just write it. Draw this figure and I will give you the values. Capital R will be equals to 14 centimeters. Simple R will be equal to 7 centimeters and H will be equal to 24 centimeters. So be careful when you're finding it. Just write it. All right, guys, have you written this? Be careful when you're finding this. Actually, in this case, you will have to find the area of two curved surfaces. Only one, since this is a hollow cylinder. And in the way, we covered the bar. Then we can Limira, Ude Pandra Patangata, Ude like 1 o'clock Patangata, Madamatakarana, Mehagana Dunaki, Hari. So I will do it. Libera Hari, cover recommend, right? If Libera forgets, any person from any class can remember me. Okay. Hari, Punch Prashna then another one. Do it now. Example. Find the total surface area of a cylinder with radius 10.5 centimeters and height radius equal to 10.5, not 16 here, 10.5. It's 10.5 and height how much? 28 centimeters. No, baby, not 28. 20 centimeters. Yes, you can simply use the formula. The formula. Simple A, capital A will be equals to 2 phi r squared plus 2 phi r h. Now substitute the values and find it. Do it by yourself. Right. So since the time is passing, I'll do it for you guys. Yes. So simplifying this one will give you the answer. So 2 times 22 upon 7. I have told you that if you get this kind of a thing 10.5, you may write it 21 upon 2. So for that you need the practice, okay? Plus 2 times 22 times 7. Here you can replace it 21 upon 2. Why do you replace it 21? Because you can simply cancel it 7. And then you get cancelled with the other 2's as well. So take the red color. 7. Here you'll get 3. And here you'll get 2 cancelled. And here you'll get 11. Right? So here 2, 2, 7, you get 3. So that's all. So here 33 times 21 plus 22 times 3 times 20. Okay, so 33 times 21 will give you 693, and 22 times 3 times 20 will give you 1320. Taking the sum of these two will finally finish with 2013. So this is an area, so be careful, the units are in square centimeters. Okay guys, have you finished? Okay, so basically you can complete this exercise 29.1. Actually when it comes for these I will do a parameter, I will do a analyze a simple understanding for you guys. How can you get questions out of these? මේ වගේ ප්‍රශ්න ගානකදී දෙන්න පුළුවන් ප්‍රශ්න මොනවද? දැන් මම අර කියලා දෙන හිතන විදිය. මොනවද? variables කීයක් තියෙනවද ගණන් කරන්න. What are the variables? Area. 5 කියන එක variable එකක් නෙමෙයි, 2 කියන එක variable එකක් නෙමෙයි. මොකද්ද? අනිත් එක radius. The other one height. There are only 3 variables. එහෙනම් there will be only 3 types of questions that they can give you. Okay, what are the 3 types? They can give you the radius, they can give you the height, and then ask you the area. The other sense, they can give you the radius, they can give you the area and ask the height. On the other side, they can give you the area and they can give you the height and then ask for the radius. Okay, so they are the 3 types that you can get. So all 3 are given in this exercise 29.1. And you can try the one that I gave you right now at home. I will try my best to have another class within the week so that we can finish the syllabus quickly and can go for papers. I'm not sure whether, because I am having a lot of works in the project and I have started working as well. Even though the exams are finished, again, I'm a little bit busy. By the way, so let's try to have another extra class within the week. I'll let you know maybe in the evening, okay? Not in the afternoon, or so students who cannot join the class can receive the recording. If not, I will have to conduct 2 sessions. Let's try some anyhow. So please complete the exercise at home 29.1. That is navigated around 2 pages, 132 and 33. Yeah. So guys, thank you for joining the class, and I will stop 4 minutes prior. So thank you guys, thank you for joining. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir. You are welcome.
For the interruptions today, because my account was don't know what happened. Anyhow, in the early morning I just saw that it is expired and I have to make the payment in the early morning. It took අපෝ තමල් කතාවසට ඇහෙනවද මං කියනවා?
ඔව් ඔව්.
මම හිතුවා සිග්නල් නැතුවද කියලා. බහලට නගිනවා ඔය.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, goodbye Malini. Goodbye. Thank you.
Goodbye.
ඒ රෙකෝඩින් එක හම්බුණාද? කලින් ක්ලාස් දෙකේ. ආවේ නෑ නේද දවස් දෙක? රෙකෝඩින් එක හම්බුණාද?
නෑ.
චමල්ක මේ ක්ලාස් මට කෝල් එකක් ගන්න.
අවුන්නේ එන්න.
දැන් චමල්ක ගන්න ඈ.
සර් අද ක්ලාස් එකේ මේ වීඩියෝ එක රෙකෝඩින් එක දාන්න පුළුවන්ද ගෲප් එකට?
අපිට රෙකෝඩින් 3ක් තියෙනවා මම දාන්නම් මේ රෑවල.
හා
Okay.
කීයට විතර 10ට
නෑ 10ට නම් බෑ 12න් පස්සේ data නෑ.
නයිට් ටයිම් නේ
Yes, I have to conduct Zoom classes every week, so I have a lot of data consumption. ගිය සැරේ GB 200 ගාණක් ඉවරයි. So
ඔක්කොයි
goodbye.
ජීවිතේ තිය ගානක් ඉවරයිලු සර්